Okay. Slay? So we got majors. Rain on Me? One dake? Other than that, I think Majors came out with two songs today. There was another one. It was like Dancing in the Starlight or something like that. So we have to watch that one too. But this one first. Let's like this one. Let's go. Rain on Me. Super upbeat. Whoa. The chorus follows the singers. Sorry, the instrumentals. That saxophone in the back. What? What? Oh my god, the music follows them. They follow their voices. Oh. Oh, dance break. Go off. Slay. Okay. Slay. What? 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 Wow, that was a good. That was a song. That was. That was a song. That was a song. Uh, what do I say? What do I say? What do I say? Versus. They were cool. They were nice. Um, they're kind of forgetful, honestly, in my opinion. Um, they're kind of forgetful, but then you get to the point where that one girl, don't know what her name is, would love to know who that person is because she's different. She's amazing. She's very, very talented and good. I don't know if it was her though, but um, she would sing the rap. She would do the rap part, and then she would switch her vocal into this into the melodic vocal. Instead of the rap vocal, she would go to the melodic vocal with a melody, and she would just go and then hit this high note, and then boom, there's the chorus, and then the instruments and everything would follow the 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 girls' voices and everything like that. It would literally go boom, 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 right? And the girls would sing at the same time, like bum, 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 and it's like, wow, wow. But what really got me, was when whatever her name is, I would love to know who she was, but whoever it was, oh my god, it was so good. It was so good. When she did the rap into her melodic voice and just shot herself to this moon. Oh, it was a good song though. It was a good song though. It was a pretty decent song, but we gotta go on to the next one. We gotta listen to the other one.